Today I'm going to do some experiments with mercury. Now this is how mercury looks like. It's a liquid metal at room temperatures. It's poisonous, very poisonous. It's high at density with 13 gram cubic centimeter. As you can see, it's very bouncy and it's hard to compress it into one space. It will somehow or the other get out. As I said, mercury is very poisonous. If you touch it, it can impact your brain by rotting it. So that's a lesson. You do not ever touch mercury bare hand. You can touch it by tools or by wearing gloves. Now let's solidify mercury. Now I'm pouring mercury into ice. Let's see if it solidifies after a while. Now, as you can see, mercury doesn't solidify into ice as mercury's melting point is minus 38.68 degrees Celsius and the ice's temperature is only 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. So it won't solidify until you match its melting point. So you can see it's not solidifying. Mercury is alloy with most of the materials. I'm going to try it with gold. As this is in slow motion, the process was much faster, but as you can see, the slow motion process is also very fast. You can see all the shine of the gold is gone. Now let's try it again. As you can see, the reaction happens very fast even in slow motion. That so that was a bit more gold, and we tried it. It was the same speed. Now I'm going to try the same process with silver. I have already poured mercury into silver. As you can see, it's not as fast as gold. I will shake it up a bit so you can see what happens. The mercury is trying to eat the silver, but it's not happened at all. But now it has ate the silver properly. As you can see, the silver has turned into liquid. Not that much liquid, a bit solid. It's between liquid and solid. Thank you. I will come back to you guys with more videos.